It feels like ages. It's really only been a few months since the last set of eclipses. How was it only in April that I stood in awe of the totality over my house in Northeast Ohio?
This will be Tuesday.
Anyway, here comes another set, starting with a partial lunar eclipse on September 17th. The corresponding solar eclipse will take place in October. On this night, look for the moon to turn partially red if you're viewing North America, South America, Europe, and most of Africa. Be sure to check my guide for viewing this upcoming lunar eclipse for a map and more details on timing. September 18th, full moon. The moon will reach full phase. At this time of the month, it is visible for much of the night, rising at around dusk and setting at around dawn.
That'll be Wednesday.
The harvest moon. The sequence of full moons that fall through the year are sometimes assigned names such as the harvest moon, according to the months and seasons in which they fall. September 20th, Neptune at opposition. After Saturn reaches opposition earlier in the month, Neptune and the Sun will be opposite of one another on the night of September 20th. The Sun will brightly illuminate Neptune, making it a great time to view this ice giant planet. You will need equipment to see Neptune, which is small and extremely distant. Be sure to review my recommended telescopes and binoculars to find something in advance. You'll also probably need a Starfinder app to spot Neptune, which is in the constellation Pisces. September 22nd, September equinox. On September 22nd this year, the seasons officially changed. The September equinox, called the autumnal equinox in the northern hemisphere, and the vernal equinox in the southern hemisphere, signals the point where Earth experiences roughly equal lengths of day and night. While there is no night sky event to view for the equinox, it's a cool time to consider our planet's place in the solar system and how we orbit around the sun. Learn more about the September equinox and how it is marked in different parts of the world. September 23rd, close approach of the moon and Jupiter, 5 degrees 48 minutes apart in Taurus. The moon and Jupiter will share the same right ascension, with the moon passing 5 degrees 50 minutes to the north of Jupiter. The moon will be 20 days old. At around the same time, the two objects will also make a close approach, technically called an appulse. September 25th, close approach of the moon and Mars, 4 degrees 52 apart in Jupiter. Long-tail comet, C2023A3, Tsuchinshan Atlas, is expected to be visible to the naked eye in the northern hemisphere between September 27th to October 2nd and October 12th to 31, 2024. It will be best viewed in late September and early October, with its brightness peaking around early October. The comet will be visible in the east just before sunrise, from September 27th to October 2nd, and in the west just after sunset from October 12th to 31st. It could reach magnitude -3 around October 12th, 2024, making it one of the brightest comets visible in the northern hemisphere in the last 100 years. Enjoy these extra events to spice up your nights of stargazing, and you'll gain a greater appreciation of just how much there is to see out there. Do you have questions or...
There you go, people. Your September Sky Report, brought to you by Neil's Han Dynasty, here in the basement of the Han Dynasty. Like, share, and subscribe. Buy some silver, some platinum, and some crystallized osmium, because it's not financial advice, it's good advice. Same here. Be kind, helpful, and grateful, because it's better than being a jerk. No one likes being a jerk. No one likes hanging around with someone who's being a jerk. People, obviously, someone enjoys being a jerk, but they're usually lonely. Anyhow, don't be lonely. Be kind, helpful, and grateful. Have a great Sunday.